Good morning and thank you for joining us on a very wet, dirty, mucky, rainy day in Wiltshire. It is October, it's Halloween season, and rumour has it there are some Halloween bits and pieces going on at Paultons Park, one of our favourite parks. So we're heading over there for a quick wander around and see what spooky shenanigans are going on. The other thing we're going to try out today is, if you're watching this, there's a strong chance that we're in Florida right now. And as I've got a little bit older, I am plagued by a bit of motion sickness on some of the rides. So there is a ride at Paultons Park that really spins me out. That is the Edge. Last time I went on that, I thought I'd be fine. I wasn't. So today we are going to be trying out some travel sickness pills. So I've popped a couple of pills and hopefully we'll see how they work. So I'm going to get on Edge, see how it makes me feel. So we will see you at Paultons Park. So we're here. And look, cobweb-tastic. I'm so spooked.
I'm so spooked.
There's more Halloween spooktastic signage up. So we're here. We had a really good run. You know, you have those car journeys where you sort of start off and then all of a sudden you sort of arrive. We've just been chatting all the way and then all of a sudden it's just like, we're here. Anyway, as you can see, it is a glorious day.
We love England,
said no one ever. So yeah, I took my travel sickness pills about an hour ago. So on the instructions it said to leave them for 2 hours or up to 2 hours. So what we're going to do, we're going to head into the park and we're going to see what sort of Halloween decorations are up and have a wander around. We've got the brolly in the boot, so we're going to need that. And then we're going to hit Edge. Daisy is being super hardcore because she didn't take any travel sickness pills and Edge spins her out a little bit.
It's all about growth mindset. If you just get it in your head that it's not going to happen, it won't happen.
Yeah. So. Well, I really hope they work because there are some rides in Orlando that I love or loved but have just had to stop doing because once I've got that travel sickness feeling, it just mucks my whole day up. So I'm really hoping that these work. If I'm being 100% honest, I'm not sure they're going to. But we will see.
Positive mental attitude.
Yeah, also it should be noted that they're not like designed for if you used to really like rides, but they spin you out a bit. These pills might help. These are like travel sickness pills. But we asked you guys on Twitter, has anyone had any recommendations? So yeah, these are the ideas that came back. So we're going to give it a spin. If it works, it will be a right result. If it doesn't,
you're just old.
I'm just old. We're just walking through the car park. Daisy just spotted something. If you can see around there, that is the construction for Storm Chaser over in Tornado Springs. That has really come on. We were here not that long ago.
No, like 3 weeks ago.
And you can just see that from the car park going in. So what we'll probably do when we go in, we'll hop straight on the carousel and get a look and see what's going on over there, because that is, you know, that's getting quite high up now. So we're heading and take you on the carousel with us.
Yeah.
So here's our first look at some of the Halloween decorations. You got the old sort of corn on the cob stalks. Oh, and all the pumpkins over there. So we're going to have a wander over there before we go and head in, eh?
Yeah, so awesome. I love Halloween.
So we're coming up to the entrance and you can literally see Storm Chaser coming over the top. That is unbelievable. They have gone to town. What do you think?
It's really cool.
It's got a massive spider. Ah, it looks awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, really impressive. Right, so I think we'll wander around the park, see what spooky stuff we can see. We'll probably head straight over to Tornado Springs first. It's a plot twist. We were going to head over to Tornado Springs and the carousel to have a look first.
Yeah.
However, we've seen a sign over here, Big Boo Barn, live shows, Pickles Pumpkin Patch. Let's go and follow the signs. They have gone to town on the pumpkins, Daiso.
Like, that you could easily steal one. Don't, but you could.
It's amazing. There's loads over there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. So I've just been asking around what they're going to be doing with all the pumpkins when they're finished, and apparently they're off to make a film with them. Lord of the Rings. So we've asked one of the staff members here how to find more pumpkins around here,
Right.
and he's asked us to look at our Ordnance survey map.
Wasn't as good. It's still good.
Okay.
But I think you need to let the gourd go now. Like, I think we've got too much.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Oh wow. See all those, Daisy?
Yeah.
They really had to squash them in. This is absolutely phenomenal. Right, we are heading on into the Tornado Springs bit. We've got a sneak. We've had a sneaky peek, but if you watched our video from a couple of weeks ago, you're in for a big surprise.
Yeah.
Not just with all the beautiful pumpkins and the amazing efforts that Paultons have gone to, but as we come into the Tornado Springs part, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my lord! Oh my god! That is unbelievable what they've done.
Really high.
It is really high. So based on the amount of construction they've done there, we're going to hop onto the carousel, get a good view, because that is unbelievable what they've done. And another thing that we've noticed, the Rio Grande signs are coming up now as well. I'm amazed at how much Halloween stuff they've done.
Yeah, it's really cool, isn't it?
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh blimey.
Oh my god.
Right, should we head on to the carousel?
Let's.
So here's a look at the whole site. That is amazing. What do you think?
It's come on loads. Like, even like the brick look on the building.
Amazing. So Daisy and I are on the carousel. If you are at Paultons Park and you want to get a good look at Tornado Springs, this is the place to be. The one thing that we've really noticed since being here today is how much they're coming on with it. So it is crazy. So this will give you like a panoramic view of the site. It is amazing how much they've done. So we're going to hop off this when we're finished, and we're going to head over to some more Halloween stuff on the Big Boo Farm. Big Boo Barn. That's hard to say. Everything here is hard to say. Francisco. So here you go, guys. This is Storm Chaser and what's been going on. It's going to be amazing. So now we're going to head over to the Big Boo Barn.
There we go, got it right that time.
Get in. You scared?
So spooked.
They've just put so much Halloween stuff out.
How many pumpkins do you think they've got here?
There's more than 10.
Really?
Yeah, that might be my estimation.
Really?
Yeah. So we're heading into the Big Boo Barn. I think this is going to be a bit like one of the horror houses at Halloween Horror Nights.
Knock. Interrupting cat.
Oh wow.
The full glorious children dressed in costumes. Skies deep like lead if you're wise.
Go from door to door and you'll collect a sweet surprise.
What's a vampire's favorite kind of dog? I don't know what. A bloodhound. Take care, folks, if you leave.
Oh, hi, yeah, I'm sorry. I wasn't sleeping. Friendly, don't.
So we're looking for a werewolf, Dazo.
So scared.
Hideous. Boss.
I found it.
We found the wolf. Daisy just got a massive jump scare at the end. Let's have a look at your sticker.
I braved it.
That was really cool.
That was actually really cool.
They put so much effort into that.
Definitely.
Yeah, and all like the staff were like playing their parts and little character roles, and there was a girl dressed as a werewolf running around and making us all jump.
Yeah,
and, yeah, excellent.
Dodgy accents, it was brilliant.
Right, now we are off to Edge to see if these motion sickness tablets work.
Not optimistic.
Guess who I've just seen?
Who?
One of the presenters from I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here.
Go on.
Joe Squash.
I don't think he's on it this year.
Joe Squash?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know. It's very sad.
I'm not going to waste this on Daisy because she won't get it, but this one's called Preston. He's from the Gordonry Boys. Got a very cool playground here at Paultons as well. It's nice and quiet. Before we go onto Edge, we're going to head into the Lost Kingdom and see if we can get on Flight of the Pterosaur, because we like that a lot. It's like a deserted park. It's like the monsters have got out.
Yeah, run.
This part of the park is so cool, the whole sort of dino theme, and the fact that you've got like the music going all the time as well, and like, yeah. Brilliant ride. If you've got kids that want to try a roller coaster that's really good and a bit more than like a proper kiddie coaster, that should be your first stop. It is awesome.
It's really good. Yeah, so good.
Yeah, it's awesome. And not a hint of travel sickness. So we're going to head over to Edge. But so far so good. You got like an indoor covered trampoline park, which is really cool. And of course the big go-kart track, but it doesn't look like they're out today. So this is it. We are walking up to the Edge. Thoughts, Daisy?
I'm on the edge of glory. don't push me because I'm close to the edge. That's all I got.
I think you did well.
Thanks.
It doesn't look like there's anyone over there, so it should be a walk-on. Got the GoPro with us on a harness, so we will, not on a harness, on a strap, so we will take it on with us, see how we get on. So that's Edge done.
Yes.
We weren't allowed to film on that one, even though we had like a wrist mount. Not a problem. I don't feel as bad as I did last time.
I do.
Daisy didn't take a tablet because she didn't want to feel drowsy, and that was one of the side effects that they said on the box of the pills. I don't feel drowsy and I feel all right, which is a bit of a plus. So I suppose for me they kind of work.
Look at that.
Yeah, so I think we're going to head back out the park and head back to the car.
Yeah.
Well, we are all back in the car.
Yes.
That was a really good morning. The amount of effort that Paultons have gone into for the Halloween celebrations is just off the charts. There are so many pumpkins, there's all the hay bales, all like the corn on the cobs, the staff are all over it. They've just put such a shift in to make the Halloween thing a real big sort of celebration. The Boo Barn is great fun. You know, the staff are jumping out. They got like people dressed up as werewolves jumping out. The animatronics were great. It was really good. So yeah, a fun morning. We got to ride on Flight of the Pterosaur, and we got to try out the travel sickness pills. So if I'm being 100% honest, I definitely didn't think they were going to work. Edge really spins me out. The last time I went on that, I thought I was actually going to be ill. I kind of feel all right. I definitely don't feel ill. I definitely, you know, I could carry on my day no problem. I think the ride definitely does something to me that I don't like, but I'm gonna put my decision out. I think they work. Future Keith here. Those tablets made me really drowsy. Yeah, I would recommend. Daisy didn't try it, didn't take one, and she felt a bit squinky.
Yeah.
But she's had a Snickers and is feeling a bit better.
You're not you when you're hungry.
So yeah, I think they work. who'd have thought it? I didn't think they were going to work. So yeah, yeah, thumbs up. So we will be taking those to Orlando. So if you are watching this, chances are we're in Florida right now while you're watching this. So if you did enjoy this, or would like to see any more of our Florida series that's coming up, please consider subscribing and liking our video. And that's it from us today. Cheers.